Hi, good day. This is Brian Sheehan. I'm with Dockmate. We offer the world's most advanced, affordable, and safest wireless remote control system for boats. Today we're aboard a magnificent 2018 Prestige 68-foot model, and we're about to run a Dockmate through its paces and show you exactly how this wireless remote control system works aboard this boat, which has a Volvo IPS system, a thruster, dynamic positioning, and also the high mode, and we're going to show how we can raise and lower the anchor and sound the horn. I'm going to hand it off right now to Captain John, and John, have at it.
It's an amazing product. I love it. It gives you so much control. It's amazing what it's actually able to do. I've had, short staff, don't always have all the crew I need, and I've had a few that come off sick, and then I'm doing this alone. And running up and down the stairs, it's dangerous. This allows me to do everything. I can control every aspect of the boat. I can do the anchor, I can do the bow thruster, the steering, I can maneuver it off and on the dock completely by myself, drop the lines, everything I can do on my own. I don't need any help. It's really amazing. I have several friends that are looking at them right now. It's just after they see what it's capable of doing, they want it for their own boats. It makes life a lot easier, especially if your deckhand is your wife. You're going to have a lot easier time.